you. My name is Sanskar Gauravutha. Today I am showing method of preserving food. We are show you how food is spoiled. Hello. We have taken 2 pieces of chapati, 1 plate in refrigerator, 1 plate in cloth box. Freezer chapati. Don't see the fungus. That close 1 piece kept in freezer. That chapati piece no fungus grow. That chapati we have 2 days. That close box is black, white and green spots. These are the fungus. Because of fungus, food gets spoiled.